Welcome to your new home. Foyer. Great room floor plan. Living room with tray ceiling. Tile throughout living area. Open floor plan. Dining room. Kitchen island great for entertaining. Kitchen with under/over cabinet lighting. Stainless steel appliances. Plenty of counter space and cabinets. Large primary bedroom. Primary bedroom tray ceiling. Primary bathroom hers. Primary bathroom hers, shower and tub. Primary bathroom his, walk-in shower. Bedroom number 2 bay window. Bathroom number 2, tub/shower combo. Den, office or media room. Den versatile space. Laundry room with sink. Laundry room, GE washer and dryer. Spacious lanai. Private lanai. Backyard and lanai. Private backyard. (11572) Stonecreek Circle. Aerial backyard. Aerial view of home. Floor plan. Marina Bay entrance. Marina Bay Amenity Center. Marina Bay Amenity Center, resort pool and lap pool. Tennis and pickleball center. Basketball court and children's play area. Aerial view of gated entry.